Hello guys, welcome to Keep It Healthy. Today is all about Moringa and its health benefits. Moringa is a plant commonly called as drumstick tree or oil tree. Moringa belongs to northwestern India. Moringa is rich in vitamin A, B, E and minerals like magnesium, potassium, calcium and iron. Moringa leaves have 3 times more iron than almonds, 3 times more vitamin E than spinach, 3 times more potassium than banana, 4 times more calcium than milk, 2 times more protein than milk, 4 times more vitamin A than milk, 7 times more vitamin C than oranges. It helps treat anemia, prevents kidney diseases. Moringa helps regulate blood sugar levels. The calcium in Moringa helps maintain good bone health. They also detoxify liver. They promote healthy and radiant skin. They improve eyesight. They help hair growth and improve texture of the hair. It increases mental clarity and other benefits. Ways to use Moringa. Moringa leaves can be stir-fried, used with lentils or veggies. Moringa or drumstick are widely used in sambar and in sabzis. Nowadays, Moringa leaves are available in form of powder which is taken with plain warm water, smoothies, oatmeal and even in desserts. So yes, Moringa is definitely a whole food supplement. Be smart, eat smart. Thank you.